Hello. It's sunny out today, so I'm wearing a hat to keep my head out of the sun. Today I'm packing a sewing machine. Yesterday at a garage sale, I was lucky enough to pick up 3 of these. I sold one already, so I'm just going to go through how to pack this with you. So I've got 2 layers of about a 1/2 inch styrofoam already in there, already cut. And I see I found a nice size box here. I'll put in some more on the outside there. And then I'll put some on the top, and that should button it up nicely. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this to size here. Find my knife. There it is. I like to use a serrated knife when I'm cutting. It's just a kitchen knife. You can use anything really, but anything serrated makes a really nice score mark on it. If you want to get real particular, I'm sure you could use a tape measure, something like that. But it's pretty close enough is usually good enough. So I'm going to use this piece and cut 3 similar sized pieces just to fill in the spaces. See, I've got that side done. So keep sizing it up here. Three out of that. The whole point is you just want to make sure it's not able to move, or not move a lot, to keep it safe during shipping. Okay, now I'm on my last side. Then I have my top. Okay, that feels good. This is what I got so far. You can see that. Hopefully it's not too bright with the sun shining on me. Okay, now I'm just going to cut a few pieces for the top. We'll seal the box up. Now the sewing machine is not all the way same size across. It's a little bit wider on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a smaller piece, make a little impression on it. See it there, I pressed the knob in there. And I'll cut that knob out. So this piece will sit flush on the knob there. See there? So that should be flush. Then I'll be able to rest another piece on top. Looks like it needs one more piece on it to make it flush. Okay, that should do it. Okay. So there we go. So, see, we got 2 layers here. 2 layers may be overkill, but at least you don't have to worry about anything happening. So we got this layered here. Then I'm going to cut this box. What I'll do is I'll just cut the corners down. Make sure it's pressed down there pretty well. Just cut the corners down. And I usually use a razor blade for this. I'll score the sides. I'll score the sides, and then they'll easily fold down. Just want to make sure when you score them, you get them straight as you can. Otherwise, you'll get weird bows and bends, and it'll make your packages look a little bit bigger, and it'll cause movement inside where the bends are. This box seems easy enough to fold without too much of a score. What I like to do before I put tape on it is to get a measurement to weigh it. Because if it's just a few ounces over, sometimes you could just cut, you know, maybe if you were like an ounce or less than an ounce away from a pound, then you maybe just cut off like 1 or 2 of these. See, we have extra box here. You can cut those off and then get under the weight limit. Because, you know, post office, just FedEx, they just go by weight. Like, so if it's 1 pound and 1 ounce, they charge you for 2 pounds. So if you can get off, you know, 2 ounces and you get down to 1 pound, then you're under the weight limit, and you can save a couple more bucks. But this one's like 10 pounds, 9 ounces, so I'm not going to get 9 ounces out of this, so I'm just going to leave it as it is, right? The extra cardboard will just give me some extra padding. So I'll get down this. This box is going to Texas. I'm in Ohio, so it's got a at least an inch or so of padding on each side, so it'll be good. I forgot to put the booklet in. At least I didn't get too far. It's the worst when you get the whole thing packed up with the label on it and then you realize you didn't put it in. Okay, so I'm just going to tape this thing up and I'm going to send it out. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, hit click like or subscribe. Thank you. Bye.